This installation, driven from their homes, tells the story of a long voyage from the terrible moment when a family must leave home and escape a devastated city through the long trek in search of refuge. This sculpture is about a voyage, and it's an anti-war story and a cry for mercy all rolled into one. When you enter the installation to see driven from their homes, you encounter a 27-foot-long line of refugees making their way on a wandering desert path. In essence, you move backwards through the refugee voyage as you move back through the gallery. The figures in the long line, which start out at 8 to 9 inches tall, are made of painted and fired ceramic. They are wheeling suitcases, carrying children, talking on their cell phones. Some are near tears, some are chatting, and some are just trudging. The figures are sculpted as individuals, each with his or her own thoughts. My work is a hybrid of installation sculpture and illusionistic scene making. The wonder of installation sculpture is that it surrounds the viewer. I'm trying to place the viewer right in a series of scenes so that they can voyage along with these refugees for a small moment. When I see what is happening to these victims of war and how they respond, it echoes something inside of me. It's something about their smallness in front of this huge and terrible event that moves me. It's something about how they use their resources to survive and stick together that impresses me. It's something about how tenacious they are that resonates with me. Moving along the path, the viewer reaches the end of the line of refugees and encounters the destroyed city which has been looming as background throughout the journey. It is a large construction made from styrofoam and paint. From this concrete ruin issue many people. Some are placing the wrapped dead in rows, some are looking for their loved ones, some are running to escape, and some are grieving. All the human emotions, fear, hope, grief, desolation, endurance, ingenuity, and courage are here in the faces of these victims. What I see in these faces is the opposite of the depravity of war makers. These people are centered on the true core of our human struggle, keeping life and limb together, saving the family, trying to help neighbors, thinking through difficult logistics.